Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can convert any of your old plain simple t-shirts into a t-shirt which has a lattice design on top like this. This idea I had seen on Pinterest and it is very simple and easy to do. It doesn't require any stitching and it can be easily done in 10 minutes. And it looks so intricate and beautiful. So let's start.
But before we start, I just wanted to remind you to click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you are informed as soon as I post any new video. Okay, so now coming back to the tutorial, this is the old t-shirt that I'll be using for this DIY, and first of all we'll draw a line just below the neck of the t-shirt using a scale and chalk. Note that you have to draw this line just below the neck of the t-shirt. Next up, we have to draw 11 vertical lines above the horizontal line that we just drew at a distance of half an inch from each other. We will draw the first line a little distance away from the armhole like this. Draw the second line at a distance of half an inch from the first one. And like this, draw 9 more lines moving towards the neck of the t-shirt. So here we've got our 11 lines. Take any cardboard or thick sheet and insert it into the t-shirt to place it under the area where we had drawn the 11 lines. Next, take a sharp blade like this and use it to make a cut at the bottom of each of these lines. And the reason for placing the cardboard inside the t-shirt was that we don't cut the backside of the t-shirt while doing this. So here is the cut that I just made, and like this make cuts at the bottom of each of the other lines as well. So here you can see that I have made the cuts at the bottom of all the 11 lines. Next, take a pair of scissors and insert it into this cut and cut along this lines. Do this for each of the lines. That is why we had made these cuts, so that it is easy for us to cut on these lines. Also, you can remove the cardboard now as it is no longer required. Remember that you don't have to cut all the way till the top seam of the t-shirt, but stop at a little distance away from it. So like this, cut along all the 11 lines, and this is how it will look once you are done. Now this is one strip and we have got 10 strips here like this. We have to now cut and remove strip number 3, 6 and 9. So basically what we are doing is leaving the first 2 strips and cutting the third one, then again leaving 2 strips and cutting the 6th one, again leaving 2 strips and cutting the 9th one. So here I am cutting strip number 3. Next, when you cut strip number 6, make sure that you cut its top end in the same shape as the shape of the neck of the t-shirt. And similarly for strip number 9, follow the neck shape while cutting the top end. After this, give each of the strips a pull so that they curl up and look rounder and neater. Repeat all these steps on the other side of the t-shirt as well, and this is how it will look once done. And now I'll be using these studs, which are called pyramid studs because these are in the shape of pyramid, and on the back side these have 4 sharp projections like you can see here. You can use these studs in other shapes as well like circle and triangle, and you get these studs at shops which have crafts related stuff or shops which have buttons, laces, etc. You can get these online as well, and I'll be providing the link for the same in the description box below this video. However, online you have to buy minimum 100 pieces, which comes at a price of about $275. Whereas for this DIY you need only about 18 studs. However, don't worry if you can't get these studs because I'll be telling you an alternate option at the end of this video as well. I am here using golden and silver colored studs. So let's see what you have to do with these. Take the first 2 strips and bring these together near the top of the t-shirt and put the stud at the joint like this. Now invert the stud and take a plier and use it to push down the 4 pointed projections of the stud like this. The stud is now attached and this is how it will look from the front. Now take the next 2 strips, again bring them together near the top of the t-shirt and place a stud at the joint. And if you don't have pliers, then you can even use the backside of a peeler to push down the projections of the stud like I am doing here. So this is how the studs have to be attached, and now I will quickly show you where all the rest of the studs have to be placed. So the third stud goes here between the arm and the first strip, fourth stud goes here between the next two strips, the fifth one between the next two strips, and make sure that all these three studs are in one line. If they are not, then make a little adjustments here and there. Now the sixth stud will be placed between the first and the second strip in the lower part. The seventh stud will be placed between the next two strips again in the lower part, and similarly the eighth stud between the next two strips. Again make sure that these three studs are in the same line. Finally, we will be placing the ninth or the last stud between these two strips here. After you press down the projections of all these studs, this is how it will look. Do this on the other side as well and your t-shirt is ready. Okay, so now as promised, I will tell you about the alternate option if you don't get studs. You can take golden and silver buttons that you can easily get in the market. Now wherever we had placed studs in the first option, you use fabric glue to make the joints there. So put fabric glue between two strips, press these together for a few seconds, and now repeat this for all the joints as done in the first option. Once you've glued together all the joints, then let this dry for about 45 minutes. Now take the buttons, place these on the joints and sew these there with the help of thread and needle, and you will get the same result, only it will take a little more effort. I hope you like this t-shirt. You can wear it like this with a strapless bra, or you can wear a tank top underneath. Do connect with me on my Instagram and Twitter accounts and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.